This is the Realme GT2. While it has been released alongside Realme's top-tier flagship, this phone is priced as a premium all-rounder. And even though it's €150 cheaper than the Pro version, it has the same unique design. But what are the rest of its features? I'm Angie for GSM Arena, and these are the key features of the Realme GT2. Just because you're paying less doesn't mean that you have to miss out on the unusual back design. The paper white and paper green versions of the phone are made of a bio-based polymer material that feels almost like paper. It's thanks to Realme's collaboration with designer Naoto Fukusawa, whose name you'll see on the back. You can also get the phone in steel black and titanium blue. The GT2 is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, though sadly Realme hasn't said anything about IP-rated protection. The phone has a 6.6-inch AMOLED panel, with up to a 120Hz refresh rate and a Full HD resolution, unlike the WQHD one you'd find on the Pro. Realme is promising up to 1300 nits of peak brightness. The Realme GT2 sports last year's flagship chipset, the Snapdragon 888 5G, 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, and an 8-layer stainless steel vapor cooling system to make sure that the phone runs at its peak performance. While it's not quite as powerful as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, it should be more than enough for some gaming sessions. The 5000 mAh battery should ensure the GT2 gets a good endurance rating, and it comes with the same 65-watt fast charger as the Pro. While Realme claims it'll get 100% in 33 minutes, we're gonna have to put that to the test. The software is Realme UI 3.0 on top of Android 12. It's a colorful and customizable UI that offers flexible multitasking features. You'll also find Android 12's improved privacy settings, like the privacy dashboard. One of the biggest differences between the Pro and vanilla GT2 phones is the camera setup. The GT2 seems to have the same 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS, which we've already tested in our review of the Pro. While things might be different here because the chipsets aren't the same, we're expecting it to offer some pretty good performance. As for the other cameras, well, they're completely different. There's an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2-megapixel macro camera on the back. And on the front, there's a 16-megapixel selfie camera instead of the 32-megapixel one on the Pro. While the Realme GT2 is missing some of the flashy bells and whistles of the Pro version, this phone has a powerful chipset, a very promising main camera, and a huge battery. So if you're looking at premium all-rounders, should this be your next phone? Well, we're gonna find that out in our full review. Stay tuned so you don't miss it, and I'll see you guys next time.